One-level English story titled Rani and the Lost Puppy. Rani and the Lost Puppy. Rani is a little girl. She is 8 years old. She lives in a small village with her mother, father, and brother. Rani loves animals. She has 2 cows, 1 cat, and 5 hens at home. Every day, she feeds them and plays with them. One morning, Rani wakes up early. She brushes her teeth and eats her breakfast. Then she goes outside. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. It is a beautiful day. As she walks near the field, she hears a sound. Woof! Woof! Rani looks around. She sees a small puppy under a tree. The puppy is brown and white. It looks scared and hungry. Oh no! Where is your home? Rani asks. The puppy looks at her and wags its tail. Rani goes near the puppy slowly. She sits down and gives it some biscuits. The puppy eats them very fast. You are very hungry, Rani says and smiles. Rani picks up the puppy. It is soft and light. She takes it home. Her mother is in the kitchen. Look, Mama! I found a puppy, Rani says. Oh! It is cute, her mother says. But it may belong to someone. Yes, Mama. Can we find the owner? Rani asks. Of course. But first, give it some milk. Rani gives the puppy some warm milk. The puppy drinks it and sleeps in a soft towel. Rani makes a sign that says, "Lost puppy found." She and her brother walk around the village and show the sign to everyone. In the evening, an old man comes to Rani's house. He looks happy. Did you find a brown and white puppy? He asks. Yes. Rani says. Come inside. The man sees the puppy. Oh, thank you. His name is Bruno. He ran away yesterday. I was very sad, he says. Rani feels happy but a little sad too. I took care of him today, she says. You are very kind, says the old man. Do you want to visit Bruno sometimes? Yes. Thank you, Rani says with a big smile. The next day, Rani visits Bruno. He is happy to see her. They play in the garden. From that day, Rani and Bruno are best friends. Level A1, Beginner. Vocabulary used, simple verbs, go, eat, play, ask, say, basic nouns, girl, dog, house, food, common adjectives, small, hungry, cute, happy,